In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious feta cheese stuffed olives recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need manzanilla olives, half a cup of feta cheese, half a cup of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to start by removing the middle out of the olives. In a food processor, we're going to add the feta cheese and cream cheese. Blend until completely smooth. Add in the heavy cream and the pepper and continue blending. Transfer our mixture to a piping bag. Cut the tip off of the piping bag. Fill each of the olives with this mixture. Our feta cheese stuffed olives are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.